Hi, I'm Sam, an engineer and fitter here at Daltons, recently qualified, and I'll be working on this Elcon. First impressions were it's quite a good standard second-hand machine. It's been looked after, it's quite clean. Looking at it, I can see it needs new backing strips. The bottom rollers are worn from the timber. It needs new rollers. It will need a new saw blade. Obvious things such as that. So I did the visual inspection, walked around it. That's when I noticed the backing strips were damaged. The bottom rollers were worn. I know it needs air because it's got an air cylinder on the back. The main diagnosis to begin with is a visual inspection, and then to test things such as bearings, belts, and then I will plug power into the machine to ensure that the bearings are okay, not running dry and not making noises we don't like to hear. So when we carry out a premium service here in the workshop, we fill out an appraisal form, which will be the components we can see that most obviously need changing, such as previously mentioned. Backing strips, we will always change them, get a full set of them. I know this one needs a new saw blade. Things such as rubber handles on the plunge handle and the lock-in may need bearings, but I won't know until that is run up with power safely. All obvious visual things are appraised. I'll fill the appraisal form in, and then it's given to the correct personnel to order these parts in so that we can ensure the premium service is done to the best possible standard. So this particular machine will be quite challenging, not only due to its size, as you can see, it is quite a large machine. I will have to check things such as the lead off of the blade to ensure it won't cut out of square. To do that, I use a DTI gauge. Well, I'll check that in the vertical and horizontal positions, which this machine is able to cut in. Once that is done, I'll then take a test cut and not only measure it, but then get my engineer's square to ensure that the piece of timber has been cut square. This is the most challenging part of this machine, the setup. The adjustment is at the top of the beam, which allows us to square the beam off if it is cutting off square. The pure standards that we adhere to here in the workshop and overall as a company at Daltons, particularly with the Elcon, we'll look to make sure all moving parts are guarded, especially the saw blade. Make sure it's fully guarded. It's an enclosed process, so you can't get your fingers into it when the machine is running. And then once the machine gets to a stage where it is completed, we perform a quality control check, which is I will initiate that by visually inspecting the machine after I feel I've finished it, completed the process, the premium service, and then it'll be moved out of the workshop into the warehouse area, where it'll then be given a second look over by another qualified personnel. I think the biggest difference they'll first see is visually it will look a lot better than, well, when it first comes into the workshop. That's a guarantee. Performance wise, it will do exactly as the machine is supposed to do. The machine will cut square. This is predominantly used for board cutting, quite large boards, so those boards will be cut square. All scales will be set. The mid fence and the bottom rollers will be machine level. We do that using the machine itself. All stops will be correctly fitted, guards correctly fitted and in use, moving parts fully enclosed. The performance of the machine, once it's left here after a premium service, will be its optimal best.